Yeah, we are live.
Okay, one second. Yeah, I sent it on Discord to you.
Okay, are they? Okay.
Yeah, they're joining.
Okay. Okay. We've given it to them there. Yeah.
Yeah,
And in our chat room as well, we got it.
right.
Yeah. Now we don't need this. Okay. So we can, as they come in, they can. Oh, for Vipin Bhai, no, I cannot hear you yet. I
You
need
need,
you to
you need
add
to add it, probably.
you to stream. Ruben, add you to stream as well. Okay. Now you should be able to hear me.
Yeah, Salam Bhaijan.
Loud and clear here too. Loud and clear here.
Yeah, loud and clear. Good, good, good. Okay. So,
They're joining live.
okay. And we need to, and this maybe, this is full, this is that, okay. Yeah, I had good sleep, Nishant Bhai.
Good, good.
Actually zonked out,
Yeah,
Remember I said to you in about an hour, nah? When I
yeah, yeah.
opened my eyes about nearly, that was around footsie time, nah? 7:30, 8 o'clock, and 2 hours gone.
Okay.
Good, 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 good. Let's just, while we're waiting for them to come in, just
They're
to
just joining.
check.
Ahmed, Tamil,
Yeah, our what you call pen is working, which is good. Okay, Santosh. Okay, Reza is connected twice. Yeah. Okay,
yeah.
Reza is connected. Add to stream. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Okay. Welcome. Okay. 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 Quite a few have come in from YouTube. Huh?
Right, right.
Yes. Tessa Habari Asubuhi, Ahmed Sabal Khair. Okay. Good, good, good. Delepai is, I see in our Discord, yeah?
Yeah. You kept it in the other channels also, by that Telegram and stuff.
Huh? How?
Telegram, mein,
Yeah, I put it in Telegram now for Prabha
Okay.
and
Attila.
in our one as well. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I have forward everywhere, Zarif Bhaijan.
Thank you, Vipin. Thank you, Vipin. Bye. More the merrier. More the merrier. So today is a nice date. Nishant, Vipin, by everybody.
Yeah, it is.
Why? Why is it?
7.
Vipin,
Like,
Everything 7.
all sevens.
Yeah.
all 7.
7, 14, and 21. So if you want to play gold, keep on reading 7 to 8. 7, see, 1814, 1821, yeah?
Yeah.
And 1807 is the cog, yeah? Well, 1805 is the cog, but we can say 1807, yeah, for fun.
So 1 week from now, again 21, 7, 21.
Ha, palindromic.
Yeah.
Expect madness. Expect
Yeah.
madness. I don't know, I heard like a snippet in yesterday, no? Some hedge fund or something blew up in America
Okay.
called Arpheus or something or other. And JP Morgan has said they're going to increase 7 times the margin or whatever have you on their other brokers or whatever have you. Another in day if they feel anything is to protect clients or whatever, but really increase the margin by 7. You're not protecting the client, you're killing the client. They're protecting themselves. Yeah. One went Banco yesterday.
Okay.
Default. And these are supposed to be multi-billion guys. Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
I just heard like a little snippet. Last night while I was flicking around channels and making everybody go crazy, at home. I can never watch one channel. Now, if I watch TV, it's like I'm flicking through all the channels, Okay, I think Adam is here as well. Well done. Walaikum salam. Good. Okay, so others as they come, they can join in. Tamil says device is not connected. Okay, so everyone can hear okay, yeah, and can see okay, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So what I will do is I'll minimize like that a little bit, so you can see all the daily levels, yeah. So later, if they need to see all the daily levels, they can see it straight away. So in S&P 500, what would you do? Guys, talk to me as well. We are using daily levels. What would you do? Whoops.
No one is chatting.
No one is talking, yeah? Hello? Okay, you look to buy because you're taking F2 as call it support of the floor and F1. You're looking for a V, LOC, MOB. And also, what you guys already have is not Bitcoin, not that one, not that one, not that one. Okay, see the levels here? Where was the last close? This is futures, yeah? The Globex price was 4359 at 404 in the morning. We are at 4362. Can you see the cycle numbers? And it tells you where was the high of the day yesterday, the low of the day, the Globex low, and the Globex high. Yeah? So you have to see which way is it moving up or down, and then you have to play with that as well. And of course, you got the numbers written here as well for you. I bet you 99% of the people never look at this, yeah?
Right.
Yeah? So this way, at least if you know the high, low, close, and the Globex high and the Globex low so far, you can make a plan from that, and especially when the market opens at 2:30, the real time, you can just put a little line here and say it opened here. And then you know whether, say we opened at 4388, for example, yeah? Then if it starts to trickle down and the pressure goes on, then you know that the 4361 area becomes a magnet as a gap fill, yeah? That's why I call it last gap and close, yeah? And I need to update it because this should not say June 21. This should say September 21, yeah? Okay. Anything else? Okay, NASCAP, yeah? The AB leg is 10 weeks up, CD leg is 10 weeks up. So NASDAQ, I think, went to around 1500 yesterday, maybe, or whatever I would think. We are waiting for it to popple down, okay? Everybody okay so far?
Yes, boss.
Yeah? Okay, so now we don't need this, gone. So we look at Dow, same thing. Dow is more perky than S&P, but same pattern. You can see the same pattern, yeah? And 35 area, we need to be careful, yeah?
Right.
Yeah, Ahmed, and they should know 7 times 5 and
Yeah.
35036, is it, or 35056, yeah? Okay, NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ is more stronger than the others, nearly at MOB. And can we see roughly it's making, what is it making? A kappa.
Kappa.
Yeah.
A kappa T, you know? See? We drew it. This is like half a cup, yeah?
Yeah.
If it makes a full cup, that's your cup. Or your letter U, yeah? But NASDAQ, you're looking for sell rallies, yeah? Sell rallies. You see, it's faster. It's faster than the other two, to be honest, yeah? The other ones have not reached the LOC. This guy has reached nearly the MOB, yeah? Yep. Okay. Okay, so you got all the numbers for that one? Yes, you should have. Taxi, okay, similar thing. But today, even if you miss the morning moves, afternoon, we are looking for an early high. It's an early high, and then it will become a boring market, says he. But it will become a boring grinding market kind of situation, I would think. And American time, if you look at, their middle of the day, yeah? So around UK time, 5:30, 6 o'clock, we should be trickling downwards. And then towards the close, 7:45, 8 o'clock, it does like a zoom up. And you need to see the speed of the move of the zoom up. It can do what is called as a wedge zoom or a normal up. And then you need to see, it doesn't have to take out the high of the day or anything like that. It can if it does a wedge zoom. Otherwise, it can trickle down and lower down as well, yeah? But at the end, you're looking kind of looking like a pop up. If it does like a V shape, yeah? This is your Bank Nifty. Look for C2 area. And if it struggles there, it is a short, yeah? No one any questions or anything? You guys are too good.
No, I think they are all following you.
They're following me or they've fallen to sleep. Fallen to sleep. I hear snoring. That's it, I'll start snoring as well. I'll join you. Okay. Same thing, FTSE, yeah?
Yeah.
You can put a lower one here and F2, F1, LOC, and MOB area. If it gets there, be very careful, yeah? CAC, I don't think most guys follow CAC, yeah? Which is the Frenchy. Same situation. Okay, oil. Right. What do we know about oil today? Anything about oil today, guys?
Inventory.
Yep. Inventory is at 3:30 UK time. Yeah. So 10:30 a.m. ET for inventories. Yeah. So on the inventories, if it pops up, you are looking to fade it. If it pops down, you are looking to buy it. Yeah. But here we are at MOB. It's best to watch at the moment. Yeah. There's no juice in the market. Yeah. Okay. Similar. Yeah. So pop up for a sell. Yeah. And see, up, 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 up. Okay. But it is sell the rallies, to be honest with you. Yeah. It sell the rallies in oil. And you have the levels for oil. Brent should be similar. And also today is the 14th. Yeah. Between 14th and 16th, most of, I think you guys brokers, if they expire the contracts, be careful for expiry in oil. Yeah. Not Brent, the US one. The Brent expires later, but the US crude should be expiring soon. So if you are taking trades in that, be careful. Some brokers, if you are short in oil, they pay you. Other brokers, they charge you either way. Yeah. So what you don't want is get a position and then oil inventories, it either pops up 100, 150 points or something like that, and then you're stuck holding a position until it comes out. Yeah. So make sure about expiries. Okay, this is silver. Silver no juice so far as well, but same thing in silver, pop up to drop it. Okay. No change in oil, in gold as well. What did we say? 1814, yeah? So 1819, 1820 is sweet spot. And if it goes to 1827, say yeehaw, and you can scale in more. So what you could really do, I mean, this is not trading advice. I mean, you decide what you want. And obviously, as a disclaimer, you should know the risks. Say you took a scale in a position one here, small one, and then this band here, you can scale in your second one, depending on the speed and the move and what's happening, and your final one here or above. And then when the third position comes to the 2, you take it off, and the 2 comes to 1, take it off, and then write this one down. And this area, okay, even though the MOB is 1811, 1805 area we know as the past MOB is quite important, okay? But gold and silver, you can look at sell the rallies. You may have to hold a little bit, but it should come for you. And size, like I said, look, we say small, but if you try to play brave fellows, then you manage it, yeah? Okay, you got all the levels on that. AUD USD, what is it doing? Oops, it's done the job. Same thing again, you have to wait, it's making a V shape, go for LOC, MOB, yeah? But this area again, struggle area, you need to see. And it's in a range. And this is where the policeman was, yeah? Just a MOB, you need to be careful. Euro is in the move already. Okay. Same thing, Euro pop to drop, yeah? But here, wait. Is there any data today? Adam, no risk, no reward. It's not that. It is no pain, no gain. Only joking, only joking. Well, there is You know, like you are in Yorkshire. You know, you say Iba gum. Where there is muck, there is money. Yeah, that's what it'll say. Okay, Euro, same thing. Anybody any questions or something in private chat?
No,
Get
so
a
far
mic
nothing.
open from your side.
Yeah, Raza was asking.
Yes, Reza opened his mic. Walid, I opened his mic as well. Tamil as well, I opened it as well. So anybody else, I don't know. Naveen, okay. Atish as well. Okay, I think we already did maximum, yeah. Okay. So fire away the questions. Okay. USD CHF opposite of okay. So watch the USD CHF where it falters. You can take a sell in that and you can take a buy in euro. Yeah. Cable as well, pound as well is sell the rallies. Okay, sell the rallies. But here, so far no juice. Yeah, I think they will wake up when the Americans do. Euro JP same. Look for a little buy. Yeah, look for a little buy. GBP yen. Okay, here nothing to do at the moment.
Senator, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi again. Can I should about the euro yen? You said about the little buy, and I wait for MOB.
Who is that? Is that Reza?
I'm Reza.
Yeah,
Hey.
Raza.
Okay. What did you say? Euro JP.
Euro yen.
Yeah, Euro JP. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You said you expect a little buy, but I
Little
just
buy,
just wait for MOB. Can I ask you what's your opinion about the MOB for target?
MOB has got a chance, but I would say when we get to the LOC, if you take a buy, lock in some profit, breaks LOC, then remember we said every time when you start, you draw the lines in the middle, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So it does, she's doing a basing, yeah? So once we have got the V shape, you can put your stop below here just for safety. When it comes to here, locking profit. When it comes here, locking profit. When it comes here, lock in more. When it comes to MOB, lock in maximum profit. Yeah. Two places we lock in maximum profit is where? LOC and MOB. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. And this one we're looking on hour one. Yeah. So if you look at it quickly on that as well, see, we can see roughly.
Yes, I see.
Yeah? We got
Yeah,
that, and we draw a line in the middle. See how it's coming in the middle of that? Yeah.
Yes,
And-
thank you so much.
And we got our triangle as well. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So inshallah.
Thanks. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. GBP yen we are done. USD JPY. Is there any data today, guys? I know we got oil.
Yeah, 6 in US market open, there is some PPI news is there actually.
PPI, okay.
Yeah.
And so PPI is at 1:30 p.m. UK time, I would think, 8:30 a.m. American, yeah?
Yeah. And I think in Fed chair, Powell testifies also is there.
Powell usually testifying around maybe I would think 5 o'clock UK time, I would think, yeah? 5 o'clock, and between 5 and 6, it's like about 60-minute or 90-minute grilling, yeah?
Yeah.
So he is testifying. And I believe also we have Bank of Canada coming out, yeah? Around 3 o'clock. 10 a.m. ET?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have Bank of
Okay,
Canada.
so guys, you got the link for the news. Quickly look at it, yeah? Quickly look at it. We don't trade news, but we know when it is coming out, yeah? When to be careful.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all, yeah? So that is
Biden,
when.
you have a message in private chat. Naveen is asking, repeat gold and silver.
Okay. Silver, these are the numbers, and we said watch the MOB, and if it does a poke up this one here, and these numbers here, yeah? But we're looking to sell at rallies. So the bias is on the downside, okay? Naveen, does that make sense? A use size small, and the number really to watch in silver as line in the sand is 25.55. Yeah, I have said that before. If it breaks 25.55, it can get ugly. Okay, I mean it can get ugly on the downside, or from here it can do like a crazy one. Okay, so 25.55, you can mark it as the line in sand. But at the moment, you can look to sell small rallies in it. Okay. Okay. And it's the similar situation in we said in gold, yeah. So even if we take we take this gold here, and we said around 1814 area, you can take a small sell. C1 area, this band here, 1819, 1820, 1822. Basically, you can say 1818 to 1822. You can look to add in a smaller sell, and if it does a spiker up, this 1827 and above, you can take a third position. When the third position comes out at second, take it off, because you are not averaging the position, you are taking each trade on its own. Okay? I hope I explained that okay, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, GBP we are done, Euro USD, JP we are done. Okay, Kiwi, you can look to sell small, okay? Just pop up and whatever. Was there any news last night, I suppose? Overnight? So it will do a retracer, yeah? Because we can say roughly it's done 69, 60 to about 50, 60 points up. So it is look 30, 40 points down. MOB breaks, then this area comes into play, yeah? Euro GBP, same thing again. Look to buy a little bit. Look to buy a little bit, but keep stops tight, yeah? Okay, USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD is at MOB, nothing to do. And what did we say? Let me make sure exact time when it happens. Okay. Okay. Bank of Canada, yeah, I was right. It's at 3 o'clock UK time, so 10 a.m. ET. And there's a conference at 4 o'clock UK time, GMT, for Bank of Canada. So 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, the Looney can go Looney Tunes, yeah? And usually it can do like 100, 150 points up or down, and then see what to do. So you can fade the spike up or down, yeah? But be careful, because they can talk it up or down. EuroCAD, nothing to do as well. Just tiny long, need to watch F1 areas. Similar situation. Yeah, this one is coming towards MOB. Same thing again. And this one as well, you can visually see as well. Yeah, it's look. Call it a flag, call it a channel, yeah? Okay?
Yes.
And like, saying here, I'm answering little bits, but we are not analyzing the markets. We are looking for opportunities to trade and what we need to do, yeah? But I'm just giving you little snippets so it helps in the bias, yeah? I can give you the reasons. The decision you have to take, yeah? Okay. AUDJP, same thing, marking time. Okay, GBP CHF, again, watch C2 area. If it holds, then you can take a small sell, yeah? This is on H4. It's already showing movements on the 30-minute, yeah? C2 is holding. Euro, 1 second, we need to give you all the levels, so you have, okay, you have all the levels now. GBP NZD, okay, it's not getting past F1, so need to watch, and we've been here and see the range. So again, if it comes around here, trickles down, then you can look to buy it. But here, I would suggest you watch. And another thing, as I keep telling you all the time, is look at the spread. Look at the spread, yeah? Here, we are in sideways range. You can use the bottom and then halfway line in F2 area. Hope, guys, this is all helping. Sheen, welcome. AUD CAD. All the levels, again, marking time. I think the best moves will come when those guys start talking in America and the American market wakes up, yeah? AUD CHF, same thing again. This got a bias to the up as well, but scalpers, yeah? This is marking time as well, sideways, doing nothing, just sideways. It's been in hardly in any range, yeah? Hardly any range, not even like, I mean, we can look at it like 88, 40, say. 10 pip range. This is scratch trade, yeah? CAD, CHF, need C1 to hold for a downer. GBP, AUD, same, it's a sell. It's a sell as well. Keep C2 in mind and the halfway line in between. Any questions or anything, guys?
Sir, did you guidance about the Pound yen?
Pound, GBP,
GBP, JP, yeah, GJ.
Okay, GJ, yeah. Okay, look
I
to
think
sell
it's
it.
same with
Same as the pound.
GBP and ZP.
Look to sell idea, yeah?
Yeah, seller rally, yes.
Yeah, sell idea. See? It's not breaking the MOB. Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah, welcome. Yeah, see, same. And we come till LOC. Needs to break LOC to try for the bottom levels, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah,
In cable daily, it just comes to a reversal cup or something. Cup or reversal cup? Which one is GU daily?
okay. So we go to the weekly, okay. So if you even look at the weekly, yeah? Roughly put a line here and put a line here, put a cog in the middle, yeah? Yes? And you can say roughly yeah? And if this is the head, idea would be, sorry, from here to here, but it needs to break this support, yeah? So cable as well, like we said, is sell the rally, yeah? Sell the rally, okay?
Okay.
So far. Hope that helped.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here at the moment, like we can say, is in a small ranger. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 hour C is coming up. MOBC, this area is holding. H1 as well. Yeah. Okay. So where were we? Coco. Sleeping. But Coco as well, it's got like a long-term head and shoulder shampoo pattern. Yeah.
Yep.
And it's a sell. It's a sell, but I don't think many of you guys do trade it. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. It's in the sell thing. It's a see shoulder, head, shoulder. It's pointing down. It's got the triangle. But later, when you guys will be trading commodities as well.
Sir, many brokers didn't have the cocoa.
So it's just what you'd say is for fun watch, yeah. Because if you don't have it, and you don't have to trade everything as well. Yeah, it's just that we're looking for patterns, everything. So we're looking everything basically. Yeah.
Yes, like Mr. Kukel.
Yeah.
Such a boss.
Yeah. Yeah. C2, C1, same thing again. GBP card pointing down. Yeah. But be careful, like we said, afternoon, 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. That 1 hour when they start talking the Bank of Canada, yeah, and their conference. CHF JP, it's a small pop-up. USD Mexican, it is well going down. Yeah, okay. Again, same thing again, need to watch the spread, yeah?
The spread, yes.
Okay, Euro CHF is popping up, need to watch MOB and above where it falters. Makes like what you would say, you know, Merlin's hat, yeah? Wizard's hat.
Mm-hmm.
Wizard's hat, yeah? And then you can sell it. You know, if you make a wizard's hat, sell it. Or you can think of it like a letter A, yeah? Kind of thing, yeah? Visually. Okay, Wix. Okay, now. Wix, ideally, we needed to go about 2021, and then the volatility will increase in S&P and everything as well more. Okay, this is a C1 area. Okay, pointing down, looking for a sell, looking for a sell, looking for a sell. Yeah, pop to drop. USD ZAR. NZD CHF is at C2. You can look for a tiny sell. New Zealand JPY. Nothing to do as yet. We are stuck in the middle. And do me a favor, you know, today when you write your, ideally I want every one of you to put not a comment just here, but a honest feedback in the YouTube channel.
YouTube.
And do me a favor as well, that right now, which pairs you mainly look at or trade. So that way then we can concentrate more on what you need rather than what I just go through, yeah? Because the idea is to give you as much benefit as possible, yeah?
Exactly, it is.
And
Exactly,
obviously, you know, feedback does help. I mean, Nishant Bhai is working hard at it. Attila as well in the background at times. So these guys, you know, they're doing it from the kindness of their heart. At least a little note or a feedback would help, yeah?
G, you have a question from Sheena, I think, in YouTube. She want to ask on DAX.
Or DAX, we said sell the rally. DAX, sell the rally, pop to drop. S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, and FTSE, and what you call S&P 500, Dow, DAX, FTSE, and Nasdaq. Yeah. Today, look for an early high and to drop it. Okay, you might have to hold it a little bit, but it will give you dividends. You can basically say as upside unsustainable. Yeah, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Upside now is unsustainable. Okay, is unsustainable. So no heroics, small size, hold and be patient, or be the patient. Yeah. So you have to decide, in that one. Okay, we're done. Inside the okay. Dollar index, okay. And let's have a look at 4 hours. Okay, down a bit. So if dollar index goes down, euro ideally should come up, and USD CHF down. Yeah, and this one as well. Can you see like a wobbly W? Yeah, got a wobbly W. Now we wait and see what happens. Yeah, and
Yes,
you
because
can do.
important for all
Can
to.
you see? Can you see that as well? Yeah, got a butterfly as well.
Yes, sir.
How you say? I think in Farsi you say parwane. Dr. Copper, what is Dr. Copper doing? Dr. Copper is pointing down a bit as well. So S&P, let's see what he does.
Question, sir? Question?
Yeah, I'm listening. Please say your name and shout.
Ruben.
Okay, Ruben.
With regards to cap pattern?
Ruben, I can hardly hear you.
With regards to cap pattern, sir. Cap pattern.
Yeah, cup pattern, yeah.
Yeah. If handle already have done, where to go the market
Okay.
on the handle? Yeah.
Yeah,
Have to
so
wait to go
there's
up.
the cup. And the pattern you need to look at, say the cup and draw it in half where the handle comes, yeah?
Okay.
And when it comes there, then you need to be careful that does it do this and remember we said, is it coming like this or is it coming like a lightning bullet, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then if it cracks, then it can crack more, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, and the other times what can happen is the cup instead of the handle breaking down, the handle makes it up. When the handle makes it up, you need to wait for it to falter and then break the handle. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Simple stuff, yeah?
Brilliant. Thank you.
Okay. Platinum as well is a sell. Nat gas will be tomorrow main moves, yeah? But with oil inventories might give us a pop and drop, yeah? But nat gas, I don't advise most of you guys to even trade it. Do it on your demos, yeah? Or your paper trade. It is a monster. It does not take any prisoners, okay? Or not live ones anyway. It takes dead prisoners, but not live ones, yeah? Wow, everyone is very, very quiet.
We are all just listening. So,
Soybeans as well, killer mover. Coffee, I'm waiting for it to set up for a mini swing play, yeah? As soon as it sets up, I will shout that we are mini swing short in coffee, and then we will hold it for 1 month, 2 months, or whatever be it, yeah? But the downside targets will be like 144, 88 area, 100 area, like that, yeah? Okay, now to the cryptos. Okay, F2 held and F1. Okay, it will be sell the rallies as well more. Or if the F2 holds, you can do a scalp long, yeah? You can play both ways, but at the moment is slow. Yeah, for Bitcoin to be moving like 2 and 3 points, that is meaning watch out.
Sir, can I ask you about the BTC for a long term? I mean, in a weekly time frame.
Weekly, here we are.
Because maybe many of us hold in our wallets.
Okay, so ideally you need to look for it to do a retracer down, and then you can hold it for up. Yeah, at the moment, to hold take a swing position up here, I would say wait. Yeah, I would say wait.
Or can I say your opinion about how much can it drop? About maybe 20,000 pounds.
Sorry.
Can I ask your opinion about how much it can drop from here? Maybe around 20,000.
You know, Bitcoin has had around 8 or 10 corrections of 45 to 80%. Yeah. So on that basis, we need to be careful. But if it goes below, say, 2022, it is ideal to take a small mini swing. Yeah.
Yes.
But need to wait, as to remember we're saying all the time, is it coming like this or like a bullet? Yeah. And
yes,
Ruben, what is 7 times 3? Yeah. 21.
Yeah.
What is 7 times 7? What is the high? 9 times 7. Just do the 9876. Easy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
1 second. Somebody just knocking my door. Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Sorry about that. It was Amazon parcel delivery. You know, kids been at it.
No problem.
Don't worry, Sunil bhai, we'll do Nifty again. We'll do Nifty again.
Okay.
Yeah, but I do trade Bitcoin, and when I personally take a trade, I'll shout as well, Reza. And of course, all you guys are in the Discord, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Maybe Nishant Bhai can put the link again, yeah, if we can. So if you all guys come there, and what you should do ideally is, when you wake up, switch on, come and be active in the Discord channel, talk, and everyone is friendly. Nobody is going to bother you. And what happens in the Discord channel is, all the trades that I take live, I post them in real time. And when I get out of it, I update it as well. So nobody is left holding the can. Yeah, I think Reza, Ahmad, everybody who has been there, Sheena, everybody, Nishant Bhai, of course, he knows from years ago. I always post my trades and I always update them. But it is not an invitation for you to trade. You only trade if you feel is comfortable for you, yeah? But if you do take it, then tell me that you've taken the trade, so at least I can watch out for who is in a trade and who is not in a trade, yeah?
Okay.
Because that way, you don't miss anything, yeah? Like already in the morning, since I woke up at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, I've done about 2 DAX trades already. Sells, yeah? Okay, so Litecoin, similar situation again. Okay.
Tamil, can you mute yourself, Tamil? There's some background noise.
Yeah,
Okay.
Good. Yeah. Ethereum as well, selling the model again. XRP, they'll all be similar. Okay. So we've been going through everything. Yeah. So any questions, anything? And what I'm planning to do is later on in the American session time, I might do a update. Yeah. Does that help?
Yes,
Yes, thank
bhai.
you, sir.
Yeah. So that will,
There's a
and also
question I think from Sammy. You said gold might pop up. Just look at your private chat, bhai. I pasted his.
oops. Who
He wants to buy towards the 1827 levels.
he wants to buy it up there
Small buys.
at 18?
No, from current rate to the C2 level.
Okay, yeah, you can do that, but I would say rather wait a little bit, because is that question from Nabin? Oh, Adam, you are already placed. You don't need to do anything. Just lock in the profit and follow it up. Yeah. Adam and Sam are already from the bottom. Yeah. So all they have to do is lock in a bit of profit. Yeah. Nishant bhai. And
Yeah.
at 1827 and that area, you can add in a little short. Yeah. So they can play both ways.
Right.
Both ways. It's like a checkmate. They can run, but they cannot hide. They cannot hide from Adam and Sam. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is just like wax on, wax off. Yeah. That's it. But yes, Adam, if it gets to around say 1799, 1788, yes, add in a small buy. And if it goes to around 1827, for example, add in a small sell. Okay? And just keep on, creaming them both ways. Okay. Anybody, any questions or anything? Sorry, somebody asked to say something about
Sunil bhai on Nifty, I think.
Sunil bhai on Nifty, yeah? Okay, Nifty 50. Sunil bhai, keep C2 in mind, but it is sell the rallies in Nifty, okay? It is sell the rallies in Nifty. And I don't know if, yes, this was our Nifty done ages ago, yeah? We're just above it. So all you need to do is similar situation. Here you are, Sunil bhai, added for you. Yes? And see roughly 1, 2, 3. And it will pop around here, mess around, and then see we are also in the process of doing a scallop. A scallop, yeah? A scallop. Okay? So basically sell the rallies in Nifty as well. As does S&P, so does Mr. Nifty, yeah? Okay, this is the gold. Ahmad will know. Touchstone, okay. 1826, 1827. Next date to watch, 19th of July. Tamil, the old numbers never die, yeah? So, if you keep 3 days of daily levels, you can't go wrong, okay? The others will act like a magnet or a target.
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Huh? Because they won't die, old numbers never die, yeah? See, for example, we got, say we just pick any line. Say we pick this line from yesterday. When it comes here, you need to watch it a little bit, yes? similar with these lines, yeah? So they will help you when he gets there as to what the action reaction is, yeah? Okay, so
Okay. Yes, sir.
so all you guys are going to make nice comments or bad comments in YouTube, but honest ones, please, yeah? Honest ones, please, yeah? And any questions, shout me, and you have the Discord as well. You can come in there. And somebody called, I don't know what the name is, Kainia. Somebody new here, yeah, but they are not connected, so I don't know. Any comments? Okay, welcome, Sunil bhai, welcome. So, any guys, any questions, anything, any whatever doubts or whatever have you? Oil is around 74.58. On the oil inventories, ideally we wanted to make a pop, yeah? Or if it does a lower one, then you buy it at the top, you fade it, yeah? But as I said, be careful, check with your broker when they expire the oil contract, because if you don't have a continuous contract, you might end up having a penalty points, mate. Yeah? So, any questions, anything, whatever? Welcome, Prabha, welcome, welcome. Prabha's device is not connected as well, yeah? Okay, so any questions, anything before we switch off the morning session, and then we will do one in the afternoon sometime? Okay, no questions, so can say goodbye to everybody. Nishant, what do you think,
Yes.
bye?
Yes, bye.
Prabha,
Yes,
Vipin, yeah?
let's find.
Because,
We can
we've given-
wind up.
Yeah, they've got all the daily levels, and they can watch the video to get the levels anyway for everything, yeah? Everything
Yeah.
is there, and we've given a quick bias on everything as well. But unfortunately, I have not taken another live trade while we are here. But if you hang around in Discord and whatever have you, when I do take it, you will have it, yeah? Okay, guys, so shall I wind it off, yeah?
Yes, bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Okay, welcome. Bye for now, and trade wisely and safely, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep safe. Keep safe.
Okay, bye everybody. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Broadcast-
Again.